Hello kids, welcome to my channel. Today you learn color name and shapes name. First, color name. Purple color. Purple color. Orange color. Which color is this? Orange. Green color. Which color is this? Green. Yellow color. Which color is this? Yellow. Red color. Which color is this? Red. Pink color. Which color is this? Pink. And draw the shapes. Rectangle. Which shape is rectangle? Star. Which shape is star? Trapezoid. The shape is trapezoid. Triangle. The shape is triangle. Pentagon. The shape is pentagon. Rhombus. The shape is rhombus. Purple color. Rectangle. Purple color, rectangle. Star. Orange color, star. Orange color, star. Green color, trapezoid. Green color, trapezoid. Yellow color, triangle. Yellow color, triangle. Red color, pentagon. Red color, pentagon. Pink color, rhombus. Pink color, rhombus. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please like and subscribe my channel. Bye bye.